Hello viewer, today I want to teach you how to insert bitmap and CorelDRAW images into PowerPoint. For your presentation, it's good to use all these images which is not in PowerPoint for your presentation. You can easily go to the software and add it to your PowerPoint. This is what you will learn in this video. Let's dive in. Okay, let's continue. I say that for the title, you say that how to insert bitmap or CorelDRAW images in your PowerPoint. We will start with bitmap now. First thing you do, you will click on insert tab. We have done insert tab. We have done many things in insert tab. If you have not watched insert tab, please watch it. If you have not watched how to insert PDF in PowerPoint, please watch it. And also, if you have not watched how to insert videos, please watch it. Okay, today we want to learn how to insert bitmap or CorelDRAW images in your PowerPoint. Let's start with bitmap. You click on insert, you see a lot of sections here. You have slide section, table section, images, illustration, app, links, comment, text, symbol, medium. In this case, we are saying the text section. You click on object. Once you click on it, then you select bitmap image. Then you click OK. It will take you to the bitmap interface. Here you can insert any object, maybe this object, maybe this you didn't see this object in PowerPoint, and you want to use it. You can click on this, select this object. Maybe you want, if you are talking, if somebody is talking, maybe with picture, you can put this one. Okay, you can do anything you want to do, fill anything you want to fill. Okay, then after selecting this, you can go back, close this software. When you close it, what is selected will appear. This first one. Okay, then here let's get no slide again, no slide. Alright, go back to that object, select the bitmap image, click OK. Now I want to add, maybe we want to add our signature, okay, or I want to add a resize image. If you get the image and you want to resize it, you can resize it and put your PowerPoint. Now I want to add my image. Okay, what you will do, I want to sign my image, which you know that you cannot do in PowerPoint. You sign your signature. After signing your signature here, okay, after signing your signature here, you are going to what you want. You will now put it in your PowerPoint for presentation. Anything you want to do, then you close it again. It will take you to that image. This type of thing, you can use it and do a lot of things in PowerPoint. You can add any bitmap image in your PowerPoint. Let's try another one again. Okay, try another one. You go back to insert, click on object, click on bitmap image, then click OK. Then you go here, you can do a lot of things. You can get a shape, fill it, okay. Then this one is brush. You can get a brush. You want to do anything, you can get the one that is better. Maybe you want to design something. You see that one, know what you want to design, okay. Then maybe let's bring this image now. I want to put it inside here. I know that you cannot do this type of thing in PowerPoint. Okay, then I want to put it inside here. Then you can change the color. This first one. Now you want it like this. This is a lot of things that you will do in this bitmap. I can edit and get more color. This one is edit more colors. Can get more colors and add to what you want to design. Then after you close it again, that is how to add images in your PowerPoint. This type of thing, you can now use it to do, it's not like your two images. You can now use it to do anything you want to do in PowerPoint. Okay, let's now go to bitmap. Let's get a new slide for CorelDRAW. Now you go to insert again, go to object, then select Corel depending on the version of CorelDRAW that you have in your system. Me, I have CorelDRAW 12. I select CorelDRAW 12, click OK. Here you can design anything. In CorelDRAW you can design. This is my next training. Okay, this is a CorelDRAW format now. We are inside CorelDRAW. Okay, now I want to blend some things. I want to maybe test. Let's get a shape. Let's get a shape. Okay, let me CorelDRAW. Okay, let me go back. Now go to object. Click on this. Okay, it will take you to CorelDRAW. Once you go to Corel, let's get a shape. This one is polygon. Click on this polygon now. You drag it, it will come up. But I don't want polygon shape. I want it to be a better shape. Okay, look at what you do. I click on shape 2. Then I will now click on this. I want it to be a better shape apart from CorelDRAW. You know all this you cannot do it in PowerPoint, but you can get a better shape. Okay, look at this. Okay, let me reshape it again. That's the shape I want. You can do any shape. Okay, this is the shape. Now, okay, this is the shape. Okay, this is the shape. Or you can blend. Let's get a rectangle. This is a rectangle now. You put color to rectangle. Now, I want to blend this. You go to these tools. Then click on this node. Then drag it. Let's go back, blend it. I want to blend two objects. Alright. Look at the type of shade that I got. Look at the type of shade that I got. Which you know that is not in PowerPoint. You cannot get this type of shape. Maybe you are design something in PowerPoint and you want to add some things. Okay, apart from that, you can go on to do a lot of things. Let's get no slide again. Let's get, and once you click back, double click on it, it will take you to PowerPoint. This is the PowerPoint format now. You can now use it to do anything you want to do. Yeah, well, then look at let's get another slide. You go to the object again, click on CorelDRAW 12, select OK. Now I want to teach you how to, let's see how to add 3D shape. Let's get another shape, lot of shapes. Click on this. Can get any shapes that I want. Then select color. Then here now I want to add I want to reshape this. Okay, you can reshape it to what any shape that you want. You can reshape it. Anything that you want to do here, you can say, but you want to do this type of shape. You want to put it in your PowerPoint. Then double click back. It will take you to PowerPoint. If you double click back, it will take you to PowerPoint. These are a lot of images. You can design. Lot of design. Let's do another one back. Let's do another one back. Okay. You go to object. Go to object. Click on CorelDRAW. Click OK. Then when the thing come on, Okay, let's do one of the, let us write test. So for I don't want to teach you CorelDRAW now. This is what we will do in our next training. I want to add test. Let me increase the font. Okay, education. 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 Now this text now, let me change the color. You can change the color in many places. A lot of colors are here. Then click on this, highlight it, you highlight it. Then look at this. I want to show you how to envelop this text now. Maybe you want to use this type of thing, click on, just select it before you now click on envelope. I want to reshape this text, which you know that you cannot do in PowerPoint. Apart from the shaping, you can do a lot of things in this text. Then double click by it will take you to PowerPoint. Now you can use this thing even as your title. You can use it as your title. Okay, so this is how to add a CorelDRAW and Bitmap image in your PowerPoint. Okay, this is where we stop. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. I still remember your humble coach, Blame Builder. Thank you.